Hey there, this is John Henny, and on today's vocal tip, I want to talk about watching out for the L. The consonant L can be a tricky one for singers, particularly when it falls at the end of a word, such as the word fall. When you sing the word fall, you want to stay on the ah sound. But because it ends with the L, our nervous system will start creeping towards that consonant. And to make the L, the tongue has to come up and touch the roof of your mouth, which essentially blocks the mouth. So as the tongue is moving slowly, the vowel sound starts to become distorted and your vocal tone can become distorted. Fall. What you want to do is hold your tongue still, laying down, ah. Usually the tip is touching the back of your bottom teeth. Fall. And then the tongue moves just at the last split second to make the L sound. So that the listener hears the L, they understand the word, but the tongue is not getting in the way of your vocal tone and your sound. So again, when you're singing words that end with L, be sure the tongue isn't moving in slow motion towards the L. Hold the tongue down and only let it move at the last split second. Hey, if you want more vocal tips, please visit my website, johnhenny.com, and be sure to subscribe to my podcast, The Intelligent Vocalist. Thank you so much.